have calculation cooling water, consumption cooling water?
Clear water, we do not calculate clear water as electric conductor. We neglect it. But I think you need good water, not salt water. It should be Wasser ist ein Isolator, isolated, clear water, which is not able to conduct current. But I think it's full of water, or parts are full.
But I think the current cannot come in because we have the same differential equation for the current density and for the magnetic field strength. And if there's a suppression,
depression, the current is flowing at the surface and not inside.
And
so therefore, it's not important.
And the magnetic field is the same. It's the same differential equation. And if the current comes not inside the conductor, the magnetic field comes also not inside the conductor.
You may continue half an hour about.
See,
if you have.
Yes.
If you have, please sit down.
Yeah.
So, we now have to look at the next one. This is a simple formula for the geometric mean radius of a strip line conductor of itself. It's only a factor 0.2231 times the length, and a point to a strip line conductor. Where do we need a point to a strip line conductor? That I want to show if this is a strip line conductor, copper plated electrode to a point. Why to calculate it to a point? If you have a transformer, this is electrode. If here is a transformer connection, it may be that here is a tube. And here is a copper plated. And then you have to calculate also the geometric mean radius between these two. It's not so important how big it is, because if they are long away, the flexible cables are there between them. But you have to calculate one value. And if you calculate this value a little bit wrong, the reactance between these two parts are very small, and the derivation, the mistake you make is very small. So you have to calculate one geometric mean radius between these two. It may be that they are here, or here, or here, and so we have to calculate from a point to a strip line conductor. The geometric mean radius. And that's the formula therefore. Where may it happen? Mouse doesn't work.
Change the mouse.
So. No, it works. Listen. I have a second one. I think. remember this
Yeah.
this picture. If you have here a tube and here a copper plate, then you have to calculate the geometric mean radius. And
Where is the point?
that's normally this one is the point. This point
This
is
one.
this one. This one. If you this calculate, it's this copper plated, and this you have here a conductor, and for each conductor is important to calculate geometric mean radius.
Yeah.
This had, if that is 10 millimeters or 100 millimeters or 200 millimeters, it's not so important. Why? Because they are so far away, and then it's not important if they are so and so. It's less influence. And but you have to calculate. If you make a program, you have to calculate every situation. Therefore, this formula is needed here. If you calculate it manual, you have not this problem. If it's a pocket calculator. The first AIF we calculated with a pocket calculator, and then we don't consider the, between transformer line and electrode. Herr Tim, wollen Sie Ihre Tasche hier stehen lassen?
Ich lasse meine Tasche natürlich alles hier. Aber das lasse ich alles stehen und schiebe das da runter.
So, kein Problem, ich stör's nicht. So, now we go to this lesson, and I think this lesson is already finished. Number 3. So, sollen wir noch Ihr Ersatzschaltbild erläutern? Oder sollen wir lieber eine Kombination machen, was...
Sie meinen das dreiphasige?
Ja.
Ja, Sie können da damit anfangen. Ne?
Oder sollte ich jetzt lieber sagen, wie berechne ich sowas gegen sowas? Was ist interessanter jetzt von der Didaktik her?
Sie meinen, wenn es das verschiebt, oder wie?
Ja, wenn das so gegen so ist.
Da haben Sie ein Beispiel.
Ja.
Sie haben also eigentlich das Ersatzschaltbild morgen vor, ja?
Ich könnte, vielleicht, weil Sie da noch gerade da sind, können wir es auch jetzt machen.
Können Sie jetzt auch mit anfangen?
Ja,
Sie können ja abbrechen. Ja.
Nee, das dauert ja nur. Die Formeln vorzustellen, dauert ja nur eine Viertelstunde.
Ja, können Sie ja machen.
Dann sind wir aber morgen schon fast fertig. Dann.
Nein. Morgen müssen wir den ganzen Tag noch ausfüllen.
We just discussed what to do more tomorrow. I think we will finish tomorrow, but I have to tell something about Wednesday morning.
Ja, ich kann natürlich auch erzählen, was ich am Mittwoch mache mit Ihnen. Ist auch eine Möglichkeit. Ja, damit Sie sich darauf vorbereiten.
Ja, ich glaube, ich lasse das jetzt erstmal sacken und Sie erzählen.
Ja, okay, dann mache ich das mal so.
I think we finished chapter 3 and we have only 7 chapters. And now Mr. Tim is telling something. Soll ich meinen Rechner runterfahren?
Können Sie ja runterfahren.
Oder
Ich habe ja nur ein Papier. Wenn Sie mal nach links und rechts geben und ich habe noch mein eigenes. Ja?
Okay. Mr. Tim is telling you what he does. Next days.
Ja, please sit down.
Brauchen Sie den Beamer noch? Nee, ne?
Nein. I would like